Since we have to go out and run some errands today, I think we're going to stop at the ReStore in downtown Kingsport and see if we can find something at the ReStore to resell. Hi everyone, I'm Vicki with Avante-Avenue. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for joining me. If you're coming back, thank you for that too. Today I have a shopping haul for you, so keep watching. Heading to the ReStore to see what we can find to resell. Do you shop the ReStore to resell? If not, why not? Hey, let's go in and see what we can find. Just never know. Some wood spoon holders here. This one's $5 and holds 9. And this one here is $5 and holds 18. The problem is somebody put nails at the bottom, I guess, to hold more spoons or keys. Not gonna have to pass, but I'll take a look on eBay and see what these are going for. People are into collecting spoons again. I'm gonna pass on those today. Oh, you goofball. That's plastic. Mark is trying to punk me here. It looks like pressed glass and it's plastic. You got me. You're so funny. You got all excited about it. Yep, you got me. This is pretty. This is Amberina. You can see the orange and the yellow. I might be covering it up with my hand. It's $2.50. This is a large compote. As you can see by the size of my hand, it's fairly large. It's in pretty decent shape. It's a maybe. This is beautiful. It's Noritake. Just a beautiful pattern. Let me turn it around where you can see the pattern. There you go. I'll have to check that out. This is interesting. This is a thumbprint pattern, if you can see here. The thumbprint design. It's got a scallop rim footed. It's $2.50. This goblet with a little heart is actually made by Fostoria, but it's made for Avon. I just thought I'd show that to you. And I wish we knew more about these heavy beer goblets because some of them can be worth a lot if you sell them in a lot, and they're heavy, really heavy. It's a thumbprint design again. Those are pretty. Oh, you should hold the glass when you do that. Would be a good idea to hold it. Maybe have some value. More common though. All the teacups and saucers. Let's see what's in the next aisle. There's always a lot of stuff here, but a lot of it's pretty ordinary. But then you never know what you're going to find. Let's keep looking. It's different. There's nothing on the bottom to go by, but it does look familiar. And they've got the figurines, all the angels together. And there is more glass and home goods. Let's go up to this corner. Some of these are silver plated. Oh wow, that is heavy. And it's got the circle pattern. But you know, it looks more like chrome. In fact, I'm not even sure about that. This is depression glass. This is, The cabbage rose, Rose of Sharon, in yellow. I don't know if you can see. Can't really see the yellow color too well, but it's $2. But it's the larger bowls that are going for more, so I'm gonna pass on this. These look like they could be Dorothy Thorpe bowls. Those might be sterling, not just silver plated. Might take a chance on those. Ashtray, definitely 1970s, and this avocado green, $2. Yeah, I actually think the larger ones sell better, but you could check it out. Looks Italian. Nope. Boy, am I wrong. Made in China. Let's check out the next aisle. Oh, chip. Chantal, what is that? A glass warming stand. What? That's odd. There's lots of dishes. What's that? Black Knight Bavaria. $10. Ooh, it's high. What are these? Hand painted. The music is pretty loud here. Who loves Jello molds? 6 for $1. I have so many. We tend to spend quite a bit of time in the glassware. The reason is because a lot of resellers ignore this section of the store. And as you know, I've been getting into glass more and more. I've been researching it, studying it, buying glass identification books on it, but there's nothing like picking it up and seeing it in person. Although a lot of the glass is unmarked, some of it is signed. And that's what we're looking for when we pick up the glass and check the bottom. We're looking for a signature because they miss things. So yes, we always check out the glassware. Do you? Leave a comment if you do. These are vintage Indiana glass. Whitehall is the pattern. It's a cube pattern and it's a footed tumbler. They want $3 each for them. But the clear ones aren't going for much on eBay. I'll show you. They want $3.50 for this Chipmunks Chipettes glass, but they're only going for $6 to $8 on eBay. It's always a tough decision when we find glasses that look pretty cool, they have a nice texture, nice design, but no markings, and I can't find them when I'm researching eBay. So yes, we do pass up a lot of glass, but we keep checking it so we can learn. And Google Lens is a great resource. It's an app to take a photograph of the item and it will bring up similar items. Sometimes you can identify it, sometimes not. This wine goblet with the grape design is interesting. I really like the circle or optic pattern around the bottom, but this isn't traditional etching. This is more of a frosted design, and to me that cheapened the glass. I could be wrong. If you know what brand it is, let me know, but I did pass on these. Let's head to the back room where they have books, office supplies, seasonal, and furniture. And then they have one more room that's kind of a hodgepodge of craft items, wall art, appliances,
VHS tapes and DVDs.
Bouncy horse. Oh, you changed the corner around. That'd be handy for storage. It'd be great for storing boxes. But I don't think that's for sale. Let's take a look over here in the office supplies. Not finding anything too interesting here today in this section. I did buy a lamp here recently for $5 and I think it sold for around $30. Got the books. They're keeping the Christmas out all year, which I'm happy about. I like seeing Christmas. Oh wait, Christmas in July, 50% off. Might have to take a closer look than I usually do. But I do like looking at Christmas all year. For reselling, that is. If you enjoy these type of videos, I appreciate a thumbs up. I invite you to like, subscribe, and share my videos, please. I'm trying to grow this channel. To check out the craft and sewing and buttons and fabric area. Looking for cross stitch kits. It's about the only thing I want to buy. Otherwise I'm kind of liquidating my patterns and stuff. I put them on Facebook Marketplace the other day. Try to get rid of them. Could weigh in on things today. No, thank you.
I guess it's a decent size ReStore, but we find Johnson City ReStore much larger, and that's really our favorite place to shop. But we're here today, so let's keep looking.
Appliances here are typically pretty well used. How many of you would be spending your day at this wall of VHS tapes and DVDs? How much are they going for here? Not too bad, but it's just not really our thing. I'm not sure how much these are, but they're new sealed. There's 3 of these. You just want to scan the barcode to check comps. And then this was what, $3.46 at Walmart. I'm going to scan that code and see. They said they wanted $1 a bag. I think I'll be okay with that. I've got $9 worth.
Sweeper bags might seem like an odd thing to pick up, but when I can get them for $1 or less per bag, I do pick them up, especially if I can get them in quantity. They're easy to photograph and list, and it just adds another dimension to my store. A little bit of everything.
It's a set of 3 cup and saucer holders. There's no price on it. It's not real fancy. It's pretty basic. These are maybe. They're by Ron Warfield. $2 each originally. $10 back in 2000. It tells me exactly where he took the photo, and he is mentioned on Google for mostly selling calendars. I don't know. Could be a chance because I'm not sure if these will sell or not. Pretty though. It's a maybe.
I did pick up these 2 photography prints from Ronald Warfield and listed them for $49.95 plus shipping.
Well, what do you know? A plastic hobnail clock, but it's home interior. Burwood products. I'm sure it was made for home interior. Got a mirror and smaller mirrors, but I don't think I want to mess with that. not today. I like to buy these smaller lamps, but this one definitely looks like it's been hand painted, so I gotta stay away from that. This one's one of these unusual combinations, kind of mid-century modern. It's got like a marble, wood. It's actually plastic. I thought it would be glass, and that's cool too, but I don't know. I think I'll say no today. Furniture section. Just came from that room.
Every reseller needs a snack break, and we're heading for Pal's Burgers and Shakes, the original location in downtown Kingsport. And I had a peanut butter shake. It was great. But keep watching here. There's more. I'm going to show you the rest of my haul. I did purchase this pretty Amberina art glass large compote. It's about 6 1/4 inches, so it's quite tall. Has the pretty Amberina colors of orange and yellow. And I'm wondering if it's made by Blanco. I couldn't confirm that for sure, but I did put it in the title with a question mark and listed it for $39.95 plus shipping. I also picked up that thumbprint compote. I couldn't identify it, but I just really liked it. However, I found a small chip on it, but I listed it anyway and disclosed the small chip in the condition notes. Listed it for $24.95 plus shipping. And in the Christmas area, I picked up these cute little mice made by Napco Ware. They are made in Korea. They were 50 cents each. I spent $1. I can't remember what I listed them for. Just keep watching here, I'll show you. It's for $19.95 plus shipping. And I found some more art. This is a 3-piece lot of vintage fairy prints, and they're matted and framed. They were $2 each. I couldn't identify a signature on them, but I still think they have potential. I listed all 3 for $34.95 plus shipping. And this lot of bowls that I thought might be Dorothy Thorpe, well, I'm not 100% sure yet. I've had them for a while now, and I'm still researching it. The metal is not reacting to a magnet, so that's a sign that it could be sterling silver. But I might take it to my gold and silver shop to find out for sure. But eventually I'll get these identified and get them listed. If they're Dorothy Thorpe, I'll be sure to let you know. And this beautiful vintage Japan Noritake in wood is the pattern. It's a round covered vegetable bowl or tureen. The design shows kind of an Indian tree, at least from my research. I did pay up for it at $7, but I listed it for $49.95 plus shipping. And this is kind of unusual, but we've been picking up flasks. I don't know if you know this, but they go for a lot of money. The brand of this one is Climax. It's made in USA. Paid 50 cents. What do you think we listed it for? I know this is going to sound crazy, but we listed it for $69.95 plus shipping. Eventually, I'll let you know what it sold for. If you like these kind of videos, I appreciate a thumbs up, and I invite you to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for notifications. And please share my videos on your social media. It would really help me out a lot. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'm Vicki with Avante Avenue. I'll see you soon. Simple sales for good profit.